just going to show you a video on how I make my chairs. I made one for my son. I'm going to build another one a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to do the cutout now on how big. I'm going to do about a 3-foot one. So I'll just measure it here. So as you can tell, it's not 100% flush. So I use a cool little trick I seen on YouTube. I'll show you in a second. So as you can see, I have marked where I need to cut it. I start off by placing it just against the blade. And as I run it, I start it at the bottom, I start it up, and I run up and down. That should be enough. So now what I want to do is I want to rip them both in half, and this tool is perfect for it. It's Workforce combo miter saw and table saw. I did a different video on how to use it, and I haven't done a video with it yet, so this will be my first one I have. Now I have the pieces ripped. These are going to be my back panel. They're going to come like this. So I have to measure 10 1/4. And we'll go cut that down. So now our chair is coming together. It's going to be one back. It'll come like that, and I'll cut 2 more going this way out of this board here. This will be the other leg. Now the height determines on how tall your child is. I'm going to make this a comfortable 1.5 foot. So I was going to go with 17, but I ended up going with 14 instead. 17 might be just a little too high. So for strong joints, I use the Kreg jig again. So you can see one pocket hole. Probably won't need more than that for a kid's chair. Don't you just wish there was an easier way to set this all up? Just cut it all down and just... Hey! Done! No, just kidding. Doesn't work that fast. That was actually a previous chair I made. I'm making this one a little bit bigger now. So we'll repeat both sides. So last time I made this chair, as you can see on this one, I did both sides the same. This is the first chair I made. So there's some defects in there. So when you're doing this, you want to do a mirror copy. And both sides will be opposite. So this one I'll put on this side. I made both of them this way. See the chair coming together. One more piece in here. I'm thinking that this might be too tall. I'm going to trim this down. I'm not trim that down yet. You can see the board's pretty warped, so I'll have to cut that off anyway. And I gotta put some braces in here yet too, and I will be back shortly. So here, as you can tell, I can put a kind of a design on the back. Both chairs. That's just scrap wood, so it's going to get sanded down, stained. And that's going to be part one of building my son a chair. Stay tuned for part two. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub and like the video. Thanks for watching.